Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ehsan, and in today's video we're going to take a look at another LTspice tutorial. Here I'm going to show you how we can take FFT of this simple sinusoid wave with 1 as amplitude, the DC is 0, and 2 kilohertz is the frequency of this sinusoid wave. So in the transient .tran 10 milli for seeing the wave, I'm going to simulate this, and here we can see our input voltage V in. This is a sinusoid wave in time domain. How we can take FFT, right click, view, and FFT, and choose this one, V in. If you plot this, hit OK, and as you can see, this is not a spike at a specific 2 kilohertz and with a lot of noise in there in LTspice. So we had to set some options to fix this problem. So just go to search and search for options. What are some options that we had to take into account for taking FFT? First, NumDGT. Search this one, NumDGT. So NumDGT was used to set the number of significant figures used for output data. LTspice, if NumDGT is set to be greater than 6, double precision is used for dependent variable data. So we had to choose it greater than 6 because in default equal to 6. If we want double precision, we had to set it greater than 6. So dot option NumDGT equals to, let's just say, 7. Okay, this is our first option. And another one is about data compression. And you had to go to plot win size. There is a size of a window for data compression, which by default equals to 300. Number of data points to compress in one window. Set to 0 to disable compression. I'm going to set it to 0 to disable just this compression to have a really clean and perfect FFT. So that option plot win size equals to 0. This is our second. And now again I had to run the simulation and see the FFT. Again, right click, view, and FFT. Hit OK. As you can see, this is much cleaner, but it's not clean enough in this presentation. In 2 kilohertz, we still have our spike, but it's not clean enough for us, and it's a little bit wide. We had to somehow make this a lot more sharp. Okay, so I had to again use a maximum time step, because if you're gonna see it in here in a time domain, if you zoom in a little bit, you can see it's not completely clean. It's with some steps, steps. Okay, in order to solve this, you had to choose a maximum time step. Let's just say 100 nanoseconds maximum time step. Now let's just run the simulation. Right click, view, and take an FFT. Let's just see what's gonna change in here. Hit OK, and tada, as you can see, it's much more better and cleaner FFT in the waveform of this option. And just because the beginning is 100 Hertz, you can make this a much lower frequency by taking a stop time much higher. For example, 100 millisecond. Again, run the simulation. it's gonna take much more time because I multiplied this by 10 to see the result in the output. It's gonna take some seconds. So here, now right click, view and FFT. Hit OK to see the result, and as you can see, it's a much more cleaner and better FFT in the output. As you can see, this is in 2 kilohertz, which is the frequency of our sinusoid wave. Okay guys, these are the options for taking an FFT of a simple sinusoid wave in LTspice. I hope you like it. If that's the case, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friend. I will see you in the next video.